In this short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to whiten your teeth properly. There are so many influencers out there on Instagram and YouTube that make these types of videos, but what you don't realize is that the products they are promoting do not work. So today I'm going to be showing you how to whiten your teeth in just a few minutes, and these methods I have for you 100% work. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Jake Daniels, and welcome back to my men's fashion and hairstyle YouTube channel, where I help you lot become the guy everybody wants to be. Guys, we have a big problem. We are so fed up of wasting money on teeth whitening products that simply do not work. Promoted to us by big influencers. Today, in this video, I'm changing all of that. I've literally used every single teeth whitening product and kit across the last few years, and I have such a great knowledge of what products work and what don't. I've got 3 ways to show you, all are successful, so let's begin with method number 1. Just want to quickly mention, I'm not paid to promote a product and I'm not using affiliate links either. I'm just giving you all my secrets so you guys can benefit from them. The Oral-B 3D White Lux is a hidden gem of a product. I used Colgate for a while and it did absolutely nothing but freshen my mouth and keep my teeth healthy. One day I saw this product in my supermarket and I thought, do you know what? I'm literally just gonna try it because I was just so fed up of wasting money on products that simply did not work. After a week of using this product, my results were absolutely amazing. I was so happy with my white teeth, but there is a few negatives. Number 1, it cost £5 to buy this product, which is a bit of a rip-off, I must admit. And in addition to that, it gives you a really dry mouth, which I'm not a massive fan of, but it whitens your teeth, gets the job done, so I'm not too fussed. I don't think any of you are gonna be disappointed if you use this product, so stop getting ripped off by teeth whitening brands and also products that promise you pearly white teeth, because the majority of the time you don't get a Simon Cowell Hollywood smile. I've used literally every single product, from gels and mouth guards to lasers, and I can say they're just an absolute rip-off. Don't be fooled by these influencers that are promoting these products, because the majority of these influencers that are promoting these products already have white teeth and they're just using software like Adobe Photoshop or like Adobe Lightroom to whiten their teeth, or they have veneers. If you don't know what veneers are, they're basically fake teeth, but we're going to touch on that a little bit later on in the video. I've used so many different gels and mouth guards and different laser treatments, and speaking from experience, they work for 24 hours. I wake up the next day and then my pearly white smile has literally all gone. And that is literally not what I want. I want a product that is going to last me a long time. I'm looking at long-term results here, guys. The second way, which is really successful, is to make sure you go and get an appointment with your dentist, more specifically though, the hygienist, because she can make sure that your gums are healthy, your teeth are healthy, and speaking through personal experience, my hygienist always makes sure that she polishes the stains off my teeth, leaving them looking really white and sparkly. My smile stays glowing for months and months. This is the best way to whiten your teeth, so go and do yourselves a favor, guys, and go get booked in with the hygienist. But remember to tell her that you don't want any teeth whitening products, you just want your teeth and gums examined and also the stains polished off the top. This is the #1 way to whiten your teeth, I promise you. All of like the coffee, the tea, the Coca-Cola drinks that you've drunk over the years, they stain your teeth so much, more than you actually know. So over time they can get a little bit yellow and like discolored. The hygienist will just literally wipe that all away. So when I was planning this video, I was only going to show you 2 ways, but seeing as I'm in a really good mood, I'm going to throw in an extra bonus tip, which is to get veneers if you can afford them. So veneers, commonly known as porcelain veneers, are custom made shells of tooth colored materials designed to cover the front surface of your teeth. They're basically fake teeth for anyone who doesn't realize. You can customize the size and the shade of your veneers, and that is exactly how all these Hollywood stars get really sparkly white teeth. Have you ever noticed Simon Cowell's Hollywood white smile? They're fake teeth. Zac Efron's white pearly teeth? Fake. Tom Cruise's teeth? Fake. Pamela Anderson? Fake. They cost a lot of money and they're not really practical for the majority of us watching this video, like including me. I do plan on getting them one day, but it's not going to be anytime soon. It's just something that I really want to do. It does seem quite grim that they file your teeth down and the procedure just cannot be reversed. So you have to be 100% sure if you want this treatment. But for now, I'm more than happy to book in appointments to see my hygienist every 6 months. And in addition to that, use the teeth whitening toothpaste I showed you earlier on in today's video every single day and night. I hope all this information has been useful. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see on the channel next week, and I'll see all of you guys in my next video. I am Jake Daniels.